Nev, 1998, your first final.
It seems like yesterday.
What a suit.
It was a fantastic occasion, and your first final as a manager.
Yeah.
And we thought we had it in the bag. This was 4 minutes into injury time, you know, and Ken scored the header there to take it into extra time. Just wasn't our day, you know, they beat us on penalties. But it was a fantastic occasion, and as you say, I think it held me in good stead for what was going to happen in the years later to come on.
Final number 2 against a very strong Llanelli side. All your preparations leading up to the final, I know what goes into it. What's this, 4 minutes in? Peter Hoy.
Well, I remember my sister Mark Limbert just said to Peter before the game, you know, we've got to let these Llanelli lads know that they're in for a game, but we didn't realise it to go and do a kung fu kick on someone, Peter. When they got Rhys Griffiths in their team and they went 2-1 in front, you think that was it, but Chris Sargent, that was the last kick of the game virtually, and only Bangor City can do that. You say Ashley Stott goes through here, he gets a penalty, Lee Phillips takes him down, and you know when that happens, you know you're going to win the Welsh Cup,
yeah.
Especially when you got Mark Limbert, my assistant, who's going to take the penalty.
Is this your favourite one? Because
I think it's the first one. The circumstances of the game, your first win, I think that one stands out. I think I slept with the Welsh Cup that night.
After the excitement of the first and second ones, a nice easy one, this one.
Yeah, a run-of-the-mill regulation 2-0 win, wasn't it? You know, the thing that stands out to me with this game was, you know, Les Davis has played with snapped cruciate ligaments.
Yeah, I remember.
You wouldn't think so there when he scored, but
it popped out of place, didn't it?
It popped out of place. He didn't play for 18 months after this game, Les, and it was pretty comfortable. You know, I think Chris Sargent scored the second goal. It was fantastic. You know, that was a good day as well.
Well, the amount of finals you've been to, Nev, we haven't got time to show all of them. Let's have a look what's next. So 2 down, Nev. Moving into the 3rd final in a row. Mark had his Port Talbot players in new Italian suits. Okay. And you could see the fear on the faces, you know, when they first come into the ground, as if, you know, this is all new to us. And yeah. As you say, first half we started very strong. We went 2-0 up. They didn't start playing until the 65th minute, Port Talbot, and they got the 2 goals. And you thought, you know, anything lesser from our lads, we would have lost that game. But to win the game with literally the last kick of the match for your 3rd Welsh Cup final is something special, and we didn't want to come off the pitch that day. When the opportunity come to me to go and take Aberystwyth over, one of my first thoughts would be nice to have a Welsh Cup run, and you know the players deserve to be in the final because the teams they've beaten. And we know we're going to be in for a tough game against Connasky. We'll be massive underdogs on the day, but you know I'm more than happy with that. We'll enjoy the day. We'll enjoy everything that comes with it, but we'll enjoy it more if we can lift that cup and get the club into Europe.